Kalimpong semi-final Hamadan Maulasnai Ribhoi District Nagabenta Banyo Rung sa Kalimpong Yakun Ra Nam Ladu Jongka Ike Maulong Memorial Trophy Kala Pynliem Yaka Benris FC Ban Rung sa final Lyngba Jackson Ubalayo Ban Thep Hadu Art Ligi Goal Haka semi-final Kawat Kaba Jongka Te Kalimpong Habaphai sa Kate Kalimpong Balalong Haka Khat Tarik Uleber Hajar Posau Ka Benris FC Haka Minute Kaba Saupo Jongka kelas tem Lyngba Jackson Kalayo Ban Penki Ikajar Bat Hadu Bakut ka kelas tem Ka Benris Kalatam Da Shigol La Non Persya Yaka Ehrngiew Sport Club Kumju Haka Kelamit Ka Benris Kalayo Ban Tebyang Yaka Gol Ka Baar Kata Haka Minute Ka Basanpo Pra Lyngba Du Ju Hi Urang Yelekai U Jackson Ka Bala Pynliem Sendon Yaka Benris FC Bakan Job Bat Yorung Sendon Shaka Final Laban kedua katkum ka Benris FC kala job habaro Arsin Arwat ka jinge kun ni ka semi final Kaba haka wat ka baningkong lane ka first line kala Pynliem ka Ehrngiew Sport Club da Shigol bat haka second line kata haka wat ka baar kala yo ban tap goal bat haba khen kulum ki goal kala poisha lai goal kat ba ka Ehrngiew Sport Club pan ka klem yo ban kamai goal habaro art li ki jinge kun semi final Hakite ki art li ki lempung kata haka first leg but second leg U Jackson jersey number nyo naka Benris FC ulayo ru ya ka khusnam man of the match. Kumbat syupentip ka jingi kun second leg semi final ka bansalong biang pan ki banya kini banyo rung syaka final kan long hapadang ka Shillong Lajong FC persya ika Kit United FC ka bansalong haka arpo tarik uleber hajar arpo saw haka por baje no paisngi. Kumban syukudo haka jingi kun first leg semi-final hapdeng ka Shillong Lajong FC bat ka Kit United FC ka Shillong Lajong FC kala Sharem haka Kit United FC da gol la Shigol ki banjob na kate ka jingi kun semi-final kinyo rung sa ka final bat banya kun persya bat ka Benris FC kabala ablupa haka final.
Today man congratulations. So how do you feel going through the finals?
Well, first of all, I give God thanks for the victory, for seeing us through to the final. And I'm happy that the audience are there to support us and the committee, they are doing very well. So big thanks to the committee member and everyone. I really appreciate and we see you guys again in the final.
Thank you. For a few more questions. If I'm not mistaken, this is the third time you were awarded this man of match award, right? So how do you feel?
Yeah, it's my third time. Yeah, I'm very happy and everything is by God's grace. It is by God's grace that we are winning and scoring and getting man of the match. I'm very happy. Thank you very much.
One final question. Any message for crowd for the finals? Maybe you saved the last for the finals.
Thank you very much. God bless you both, everyone. I'll see you guys in the final.
Thank you, Joseph. Oh, thank you, Jackson. Thank you. Congratulations.